walked in for a simple thing, copy of her ID, nothing big. Bitcoin Ekasi, doors open wide, a welcoming place. Learning inside while waiting there. She took some time, heard about Bitcoin, simple and kind. Education shared, step by step, how money can move with less stress. Money in her hand, bring wallet.